Welcome to Let's Talk Amazon Advertising. Whether you've never listed a product on Amazon or have years of experience, this podcast is for you. Your host, Matt Campbell, is a successful Amazon seller and co-founder of a digital advertising agency. His expertise is in reducing ad spend and increasing profitability. Get ready to learn the most current tips and tricks in advertising strategies on Amazon. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Keep listening. Here we go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk Amazon Advertising, episode 6. Today, just want to have a quick discussion on the next 14 days. Here it is. It's peak time, it's go time, and what to do with our advertising over these next 14 days. The number one thing I'm looking at right now is my budget. When am I hitting my budget? Do I have a high enough budget? Is my spend getting used? If it is it getting used too quick? And let's talk about that. So when you have a budget in this time of the year, typically your conversions are higher, so you're going to get a greater return on advertising. So if you're making money with your advertising, it is very crucial that you're increasing those budgets to get the highest return during this peak season. If your advertising is really set to kind of break even and just kind of give you that ranking that you're just overall business to get your goals, get your products up there and get them in front of people and keeping that rank, then now's the time to adjust the bids to make sure that your product is getting advertised throughout the entire day. So what does that mean? If my budget is getting hit at 12 o'clock today in peak season, that's a problem. If it's getting hit at 4 p.m., it's a problem. I would love to see my budgets getting hit on all of my campaigns very end of the day, 12 o'clock if possible. I want it to get hit right at the end time. So I'm really focused on hitting 90% of my budget and not overspending on those cost per clicks, because here's a time that we have a lot of volume coming in, so we can adjust those bids down and get a higher return on advertising, lower our A costs, and make some more profitability there. So now if you already have that desired A costs, now we just need to increase the budget during this time, because you're going to get higher volumes, and typically higher volumes if your product can be sold for a Christmas gift, then you're going to get a lot higher volume. So that's really what I'm going to focus on right now, is making sure that I have the budget to last me throughout the entire day. And if I do not have that budget, there's one of two reasons. Either my cost per click is too high. I can reduce that cost per click and get a lot more clicks and a lot more sales. Or if my A cost targets are already met, which means I'm already converting well enough and I'm making money on my advertising, then increase those budgets double, triple, so we can get more sales throughout the entire day. The last thing you want to see is your advertising running out at noon or running out at 4 p.m. Because with advertising, remember, if you're not there, if you're not taking up that advertising real estate, somebody else is. One of your competitors is taking up that real estate and they're getting the sale and not you. But that's it for today. Just a quick discussion on, maybe some steps to do here in this fourth quarter, this last 2 weeks. So good luck to you, and we'll talk to you next time.